So adding and subtracting complex fractions, and we're going to do this using the lowest common denominator. So we're looking at the denominators. So we have an x and we have a y and an x. So an x and a y and an x, or an x and a y. So the LCD is going to be x, y. So we're going to multiply both our top and our bottom by x, y. So if we do that, it's going to be 1 multiplied by xy, and it's going to be y multiplied by xy. So we'll have 1xy minus, so minus y, so we're going to have xy squared, and then this is divided by x, and then on the bottom we have 1 times xy, so this is going to be xy, and then 1 times xy, so this is over y plus xy over x. Now what we're looking to do is to get rid of our values, so this x and this x, we have an x here, then we have a y, and we have our x's here. So we're looking to see if we can simplify. So we can cancel this x, we can cancel this x, and we can cancel this y. So we're going to be left with xy minus y squared over, and then we have x plus y. Now we can simplify. So if we factor the top by y, we will have x minus y over x plus y. Okay, so the next question, if we look at our denominators, we have a d, a c, and a c. So our lowest common denominator is going to be CD. So we're going to multiply our top and our bottom by CD. And remembering that's all the terms. So we'll have C multiplied by CD is going to be, just move that down. So C times CD, so this is going to be C squared D over D. And then we're going to multiply this, so we'll have minus CD squared over C. And this is all over, so remember D, so we'll have CD squared over C, and then plus 2CD. Now we're looking at simplifying. So we can cancel this C with the C, this D with this D, this C with this C, and then we are left with, so on the top, on the numerator, C squared minus D squared, and then on the denominator, D squared plus 2CD. Now we can factor this further. So this is going to be the difference, so C plus D and C minus D. And then if we factor the bottom by D, we'll have D plus 2C. And there's our final answer.